My name is Thelma Ruffin Thomas, just to let you know. I'm a storytelling woman going fast, not slow. So you better pay attention to this rap of mine. If you can't keep up, you'll be left behind. Why did I become a storyteller? I don't know, but I know this, that when Mama turned off the lights, I turned on the flashlights when I went to bed. I would pull the covers up and I had my flashlight out and I would read the book that I had been reading all day when she told me to stop reading it. And so I have always read books. I never really thought about storytelling because I always wanted to be a teacher. But what happened, as you know, as things go along, things change and you want to be this or be that. But one of the things I wanted to do is to work with children, especially teenagers. When I came to making a decision after I graduated from college, I said, you can become a librarian, because I was already working in the library. And then when I retired from the library, I knew all the stories because I knew where all the books were. And so I became a storyteller.
I've worked with Sister Thelma for well over 15, possibly 20 years. Originally met her, I was doing technical support and videography for the many cultural events that herself and Dr. Joyce put together with the African Folk Heritage Circle. I played the saxophone a number of years ago growing up, and as I got older I kind of got away from it and got into other things, working, family, athletics, and other public activities. This has been a very pleasant return for me. My grandsons began playing the trumpet 2 or 3 years ago, so I thought this was an opportunity for me to connect with them, and it has done that.